Hello, this is Ron from Kolleno, one of the leading suite app available on NetSuite. And today I will show you how to export data from NetSuite. So the first one I want to show you is that if you go in any table like this in NetSuite, you will see a few options here in the top left of the table. That's CSV export, Excel, PDF, and print. So what you need to know is that the PDF, it has a limit. It won't work if you have too many columns. You see, for example, here I'm clicking, and so now it's trying to generate the PDF. And you can see it complains that the PDF export is limited to 30 columns. So that one won't work because I have way too many columns. But if I had less than 30, it would work for the PDF. For Excel and CSV, that's not a problem. A workaround that I use when I need to export in PDF is that I will click on print instead. I make sure that my layout is landscape, and you will see all the columns here that are showing. I mean, you limit it because obviously it can't put the 30, but it will show like all the most important ones that are at the beginning of the table. And then in your more settings, you can just open PDF in preview, and then you just save it there on your computer. The other thing in NetSuite is that if I go here in Setup, and then I will go Setup, Import Export, and then I have full CSV export. So that will allow you to export like most of the data that's in NetSuite, and you will receive a zip file that will contain something like this. And as you can see, it has a lot of different types of data. And then you can just open them and look at them if that's what you need, if you really need a big bulk export. That's it for today. Thank you.